Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are continuing our series of pattern therapy. This pattern is somewhat similar to a pattern that we have drawn in one of the previous videos. It's just a slight modification. I have made it a little bit easier and time saving. To start with, I'm going to draw my outline, that is the box in which I am going to draw. The way I am drawing it, by lifting my pen after every 4 dot, I'm sure by now you must have understood that I do this to mark whenever I have a pattern that needs to be drawn in 4x4 boxes. The next step is to draw horizontal lines and vertical lines. We are drawing squares of 4x4. After that, you will draw a plus sign inside each of these squares. You will find the dots to do that. There will be a center dot and 4 dots around it. Using them as your reference, draw these plus signs. The next step is to join the corners of the squares with these plus sign. And this has to be repeated on all the sides. Whenever you are practicing these patterns, make sure you are drawing at least a full page. The repetition of these patterns is what makes it therapeutic. So if you are drawing in a very small sheet or just a couple of boxes, that's not going to help you at all. Do share with me your practice work on various social media platforms or by joining my private channel on Kuhu. You can also find the link to the supplies that I use in the description box below. Make sure you share your views on this series and is it really helpful to you all? What all type of videos do you want me to make? That also you can mention in the comment below. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for regular art tutorials.